Hi friends, in this video we will learn about super keyword. Super is a keyword in Java used to refer immediate parent class members, specifically parent class non-static members. So super keyword can be used in non-static methods or blocks, and a super keyword cannot be used in static methods or blocks. And we can refer superclass static members but not recommended because static members should refer using class name, that is the standards the Java developers following, so we should follow the same. Giving an example here, I created a ABC class where I have a static members, non-static members, as well as static methods and non-static methods, and there is a class XYZ that is extending ABC, and it is overriding that void m2 method. And from void m2 method I'm executing some block of code, and then I'm trying to execute the superclass m2 method. I'm referring m2 method using super keyword, and I also using super keyword to refer superclass instance variable, that is B, and I am also using super keyword to refer superclass static members A, but it is not recommended actually because static members always refers with the class name. Hope you get it. And super keyword can also be used in the non-static block, so you can see this is the non-static block. In non-static block we can use super keyword to refer superclass members. I created a static method m3 in XYZ class, and I am trying to refer superclass members using super keyword, but it is not acceptable because static members will not allow super keyword inside these blocks. Even in the static blocks also it will not allow. Hope you understood. If you have any concerns, please let me know. I'll address it. Thanks for watching.